Hello, how are you? Today we are going to learn how to change hand in Video Scribe. There is an option of default scribe hand. Click here and you will have all of the hands that are available in Video Scribe. You can see them here. You can choose any hand from here. Like this, we have selected the right hand this time. We can change this hand like left hand or any other hand that you would like to in Video Scribe. If you want to some custom hand, there is an option of create a new hand. Click on this and a tab will appear from where you can add your customized hand. Anywhere that is in your computer, you can add that hand into your Video Scribe. This is a simple procedure of adding or changing hands in Video Scribe. If you have any question, please let us know. We'll make a video on that for you.